गण गणपतये नमः। ॐ गण गणपतये नमः। ॐ गण गणपतये नमः। Welcome back to channel Mera Sunshine. Myself Surjit and your friend, your well-wisher. I am giving my warm greetings to all of you because today we are going to today is our 14th class and we are going to discuss about the very crucial department, that is accounts department. Because account department role is to maintain the track, maintain the balance between income and expenditure. Accounts department used to get the income and different sources and need to do expense in as the maintaining the balance between income and expenditure and keeping a track on daily basis, and they need to make a report end of the month, end of the year, that is there, and keeping the budget is of budgeting and income and expenditure, payroll cost also there, and they need to pay the tax on before time, some licensing pay also. There's a huge work of the accounts department. Let's start the analysis and as per the hierarchy wise. Another crucial department is the accounts department. Accounts department is very important, and that has to be strong. Of the all the person in the accounts department has to be strong in as per the knowledge. Is accounts department required to tracking the cash flow every day basis, and they need to track the budget and managing payrolls and forecasting and tax compliances and all the whatever the all the taxes they need to keep the, or basically need to give the tax in proper time. By paying tax should not be delay, otherwise it will be some late fine charges is there. Day-to-day cash need to be tallied from the system, and that has to be withdrawn, and cash end of the day or once in a month, all the entire amount should be deposited in the bank, and bank reconciliation is also very important. And all different hotel follow the different software. Some hotel follow the tally software, so in the tally need to update everything day-to-day basis, and end of the month we can check what is the debit amount, what is the credit amount, or which company we have given the credit, and follow up with the outstanding amount. That's also part of the accounts department, because accounts department need to follow up the whatever we have given the credit as per the credit limit time. We need to follow up with the particular concerned company to follow up the outstanding payment. That also prime job of the accounts departments. Income and expenditure, debit and credit, both to make the balance of both, and need to track on daily basis and keep a record on this, and end of the month they can create a report on this. This is the prime job of the accounts department. Accounts department, you can see the hierarchy of the accounts department, and depends upon the hotel to hotel, depend upon the size of the hotel. It could be hierarchy could be big enough, and as per the size of the hotel it could be little smaller than whatever you can see. This is a basic hierarchy of any of the hotel. If you go in details, so accounts department in leading by the finance controller, and then the secretary is there, then account assistants is there, controller is there. So now we will discuss, and credit manager is there, night auditor is there, head auditor is there, account payable is there, and lots of hierarchy is there in accounts department. You can see the hierarchy organization chart as well. So now we will discuss one by one of the little explanation of one by one. Now who is finance controller? The finance controller will be the responsible for managing the day-to-day operation of the accounts department, like preparation and management of the hotel's financial budget, implementing and overseeing all the activities related to the financial aspect of the hotel in compliance with the local tax laws and also by the hotel SOPs. This is the job of the finance controller. Now the accounts payable also in the designation. What is the job of accounts payable? A key area in accounting, accounts payable ensure that all bills are paid on time and all discounts are taken, minimizing the cost of the hotel. Accounts payable clerks work closely with the purchasing department to verify that all invoices to be paid are indeed invoice of the hotel. Also required that also prime job of the accounts department is accounts payable. Now the assistant controller, I have seen the controller. Now the assistant controller in a big hotel, you may see one or few assistant controller. In a smaller hotel, there are not be any. That can be done by others also. The controller divides the various functions to be performed so that the workload will be even. For example, one assistant might be responsible for daily transaction, while another works social project, budget analysis, like that. The work is segregated in bigger organization. The bigger organization, there is workload is little big generally. And then the guest and city ledgers. A hotel keeps two ledgers. The guest ledger is associated with the guest staying at the hotel, while the city ledger contains all the billings. It is important that the account department has a person in accounting receivable working with the city ledger, so the hotel able to bill and collect the revenues dues. Need to collect the dues in the correct time, because outstanding recovery that also need to, otherwise how will do the expense. If income is not, then how will do the expense, where from the salary will go, where from the vendors payment will go, vendors payment, giving salary, that also all comes under the accounts, because income then can be expenditure in different slot, income also should become in different slot. Need to monitor about the both. There is a night auditor also. Income night auditors get their name because by the hours they work at the end of the day. The night auditor basically work in the night. They used to tally whatever they happen throughout the day, and they any mismatch they used to check. Is bigger issue, they need to be highlight. There is a banquet auditor also, who will check all the banquet, raise the bills, and if any pending any pending bills, why pending, what is the payment status, and what is the cut-off date. There is all the banquet auditor. Creditor. A big hotel may have its own creditor, manage whose function it is check and grant credit. In today's business world, many transactions are done in the credit rather than the cash or cashier clerks. Then there is a food and beverage controller also, who is to check all the food and beverage controller, and then is to prevent cost control also they also do. Now the front office cashier. The duties of the front office cashier are often incorporated with the front office personnel. When guest checks out, it is duty of this cashier to charge the guest the correct amount and secure a payment. You have to check the proper amount from this front desk cashier, the prime job, because that's the main area, getting the main revenue. Banquet as well also, restaurant also, but front office getting much revenue. General cashier. There is general cashier, then and payroll. Payroll also system. The payroll employees calculate the pay rate and hours worked due to the payroll, so the paychecks are released on time. There's a payroll department also. They need to properly check who is timing, hours, any over duty or not. They need to pay as per the time. System manager. System manager is not a system manager also there, who is to tally everything from the system. That are also done by the system manager. So you can see the huge work tasks of the accounts department. Those need to monitor and track in daily basis.